Sagittarius, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is freedom. And do you believe that you are ready? Do you believe that what your intellect and what your gift is going to create your freedom? If you do, it's time to act. It's time to walk behind that talk, bite behind that bark. It's time, faith without works are dead. It's time to put in the work and work towards your freedom, because you have everything that's going to promote you to this next level. I realize my wounds create doubt, resentment, and guilt. So I work to free myself from the darkness, and I fill those things with love, light, prosperity, confidence, and peace. I cast off negative thoughts and I find peace in my heart. And I discover the being and the light within me that's been waiting to shine, ready to glow. And then that's going to reflect on your outside, and you will create the things and the service, and the people are going to love to come to you and support you, and that's going to boost you to your freedom. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.